kids, today we're going to be learning about microscopes. Now, first of all, you're probably wondering, what is a microscope? You heard of a telescope? It's kind of like a telescope that can see the microscopic world, except aiming at this direction. Here's how it works. People put magnifying glasses in over top to see the microscopic world. Now, on this microscope, I'm going to see a cotton stem. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Hang on. There we go. I see it. It looks like this. It literally looks like a wiggly line. That's literally what it looks like. It looks like kind of like a straight line. It's like a little like that. It looks kind of like, you know, I imagine a car driving down it. Have a hard time doing it. You know, it looks kind of like a wiggly worm or a snake. Anyway, sometimes lights on microscopes help you see better. Don't look in the light because it's very bright can harm my eyeballs and yours. So, and also, you can turn it off just like this, and turn it on just like this. See, that's the light that's on my shirt, you know? And you can adjust the microscope to blurry to clear. And also, you can adjust the color. Oops, I moved it. Hang on. Oh, wow. It's not wiggly anymore. It's just to like holes in it with kind of, I only see this part with like a black and with little holes in it. Kind of like a old shirt or an old blankie with holes in it. Kind of like that. Wow, it's so amazing. If you have one, like this video. If you don't, like it again. Because please like and subscribe. Oh, I got it. Subscribe if you have a microscope. And like it if you don't. Okay, kids? Do that for me. So, kids, if you ever get a microscope, please let me know somehow. Just, I don't know how, but just let me know, you know? So, kids, I hope you have a wonderful evening. P.S. I am happy. Bye.